Hello everybody, Cindy Grimmer here, Editor-in-Chief at lawmarketing.com, and I'm here today with Larry Bodine, the lawyer's blog guru, who's a former practicing attorney who knows how to turn website visitors into clients for trial law firms. Larry, thanks for joining us here today. And
My pleasure.
thank you. And one of the things that I know that you're going to be speaking to us about today is the new Panda 4.0 update and how this specifically affects attorneys. I know that a lot of these Panda updates and so on are a little bit overwhelming for the typical attorney. You know, they get very technical and so on. But this one in particular could really affect our blogs, our law firm blogs, and so on. So talk to us a little bit about what this update means for attorneys.
Well, lawyers need to be aware that there was a huge change in the way that Google ranked sites. It rolled out in May, and it was called the Panda 4.0 update, and it's a huge change. It affects two kinds of sites. One is sites that curate or aggregate content. So if your site copies articles or puts up snippets from other websites you're asking for a lot of trouble now, because what Google will do is when it sees that, it's going to send you to the bottom of the search results. And the other kind of site is the ones that thinly rewrite news stories. So I know a lot of trial law firms will rewrite news reports about DUI stops or traffic accidents, and they'll just do a slight rewrite. And Google has developed almost human-like abilities now, where it will compare that rewrite with the original story, and if it sees a similarity, it's going to send that website to the bottom of the search results.
It's pretty remarkable today how Google can do this, you know, how they can compare articles and be able to identify which one was the original and, you know, just snip it. So even just a simple paragraph that's copied from an original article will impact you in a negative way. So any tips then, Larry, on how attorneys can continue to produce really valuable content on a consistent basis for their law firm blog, and without some of those, you know, time issues and so on? Because not everybody has time to do this on a regular basis. So talk to us about that.
Well, what Google wants and what attorneys should do is put up fresh, original content that's been newly composed and that doesn't appear anywhere else on the web. Now, of course, I practice law, and so I know that most attorneys don't have the time to do this. So one option for attorneys is to find an outside service that will prepare drafts for them. And one of the things that I do as the lawyer's blog guru is I work with a team of 20 U.S. attorneys who have experience with the web and experience with search engine optimization. And what we do is we provide first drafts for attorneys, all of it original, all of it relating to their practice area, and all of it designed to generate new business from visitors that come to the website.
Really great information, Larry, because I know that it is a challenge for attorneys to produce this content, and so to have someone that they can go to that understands, you know, the not just the online part of it, but understands law is so important. Another tip that I know I've heard before too is to take an article and create a video based on, you know, summarizing some key points, and that, you know, Google loves videos, and again, you're not using, you know, the word-for-word piece from the article. So that another tip to add to that, just for those that enjoy doing video. But I know we're going to be seeing some more changes. Google's on top of these things, and so if attorneys are out there that are doing some of this, they do want to make sure that they make some changes with their strategy for sure. So, Larry, thanks again. I know people will find you at larrybodine.com, and we'll be recording some more videos, and I just want to thank you again for always providing really great content to our viewers here at Law Marketing.
Thank you. Good to talk to you, Cindy.
Thank you.